Hey there, this is Tyler with Theater Design Company. Going to do a few unboxing videos today. This one will be the KPT-8060H surround speaker. This is an angled surround speaker from their Cinema line. The big difference between this and the KPT-8000 is the horn. This has a 60 by 90 horn compared to a 90 by 90 horn. This would be better for a shorter room height or a listening position that suits that array with their horn. Go ahead and open up the box here. Fortunately, our mic did not work with our recording, so I'm kind of dubbing over these. So I'll interject when needed. Box is roughly 22 by 18 by 10 tall. Klipsch mounting bracket, screws, hardware. They also make an extended wall bracket that will extend this off the wall for certain systems. Maybe if you have a false walls behind it or fabric cloth wall. So here you can see the bracket. Typical owner's manual. It comes with all Klipsch product. As you can see on the right corner, this thing's not only is it heavy, it's extremely hard to get out of the box. It's well packed. So here you can see the foam packaging. It's cut to size for the speaker for safety. They ship these directly in a single box. They don't double box them. Terminal post on the back. You can see the, I think those are M6 mounting hole screws. Perforated screen. Nice Klipsch logo there. So I actually thought these popped off, and you'll see later in the video there'll be a pause, and I actually go get my drill. There's actually two #1 screws at the top of the speaker. Now that I know this, I won't do it again. But you'll see me work with this for a bit, so I apologize on the video. You can scan forward if you want a little bit. So there's two screws that hold the aluminum frame on, or aluminum grill. Set those to the side. So these run an 8-inch woofer. And again, they're running the 60 by 90 horn. For more detailed specs, you can obviously go and find these on the Klipsch website. It's going to be under their Cinema series speakers. Putting the grill back on here. So you can see it's about 14.5 inches wide. It angles down to about 13 inches. And it's roughly 19 inches tall. Also didn't mention it's a ported design if you didn't catch the port there. So the top you're about 7.5 inches out. and at the bottom about 4 3/4. So I'll try to find the angle that these are at. If I recall, it's only 10 degrees. And there you have it. Thanks for watching our video on this one. I have several unboxing videos of Klipsch, including the Klipsch reference behind the screen cinema speakers, which